What's going on, everybody? Neil Parker here. If you are new to this channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button for me. I really appreciate that. But today's video is about my cousin. He's like 55. He's about to retire from his day job. And he's interested in real estate. We met like 2 times. You know, went over a few things. He asked a couple questions, a couple terms he didn't know. He wanted to start off with wholesaling, but as I told him, if you have the cash or the credit, if you're looking for cash flow, you don't have to start off with wholesaling. Wholesaling is cool. It's good to learn how to wholesale, how to find the best deals, because when you wholesale, you become the source of the deals. So he just wanted the cash flow. So I told him, if you got the cash or the credit, just skip the wholesaling step and just buy your property. So today, we're gonna check out his property. Y'all tell him something in the comments. It's his first property. Give him some advice, tell him congratulations. Let's check out his property. Cousin just bought him a new house. We got some new windows too. Yeah, that's nice. You ready to put that work in?
Yeah, man, I don't have a choice.
You got contractors already and stuff?
No, actually, man, I had one guy came and take a look at it, and he gonna go back over. Like he gonna come back and try to assess and come up with some figures, see what it's gonna cost.
It's a 4-bedroom? What?
Yeah, actually,
2 bed or 1?
Yeah, actually, it wasn't too bad.
That's a nice house.
He was that was his original plan to make this a master bed.
He added this on, huh?
Bedroom. Yeah, he must have added this.
Yeah,
here,
you
I
could
think.
tell.
Yeah, and master bed. This is gonna be a bedroom here, a master bedroom here. This is gonna this is 1. This is 2. This is the other restroom right here. This will be the 3rd one.
You got some more you want to sell?
And this is the 4th one, man. Yeah. So try to
Clean it out.
Yeah, it's gonna be the first step to clean it out, man.
You got somebody to clean it out already?
Actually, man, not really, not yet. But
I know you don't want to do it, huh?
I might have to get my hands dirty to get the feel of it, you know.
Yeah.
But I know time is money, you know. So and my job, man, it's so hard to.
You won't have time.
Yeah. So that's the thing.
You gotta let somebody else do it.
It's a challenge right now, man. Trying to
So this is the kitchen right here, huh?
Yeah.
So you can do something with this. So you want to tell them how you got started, man? We only met twice, huh?
Yes, well, we met twice, man.
You took action quick.
Try to take action, man. You inspired me, man. Being so young, man. I said, man, my little cousin, man, they're doing it, man. Going to different seminars, man. So that really inspired me and encouraged me, man. Even at my age, man, I decided to say, hey, man. And the pastor at the church is always talking about ownership and entrepreneurship, man. So he's always reiterating that, man. So I say, even at my age, it's never too late, man.
No, never too late.
Take action,
It's better
man.
start now than tomorrow.
That's right. Quit procrastinating, man.
Yeah.
So I just say, hey, go for it, man.
Yeah. So how many you plan to get this year?
I don't know, man. I want to fix this one up first.
See how it goes.
See how it goes, man. Get it rented out, man, and pray that I get a good tenant, man. Yeah. Go from there, you know?
I appreciate you taking action, man. I'm proud of you. Happy for you.
Oh, man. Thank you, man. You're a blessing and an inspiration, man. Yes, indeed, man.
Anybody can do it. You got to take action. People be scared to do it.
Yeah, a lot of times, man, we don't want to get out there, man, and
Be scared to
of
fail.
failure, man. But you don't. A lot of times
Failure
we gotta
comes
do that.
lessons.
Failure comes lessons, man. Valuable lessons, man.
Yeah, the faster you fail, the faster you learn. That's how I like to put it.
But I really appreciate you, man, taking the time and effort to come out, man.